Imagine this. You recommend a product you love, someone clicks your link, and boom, you get paid. That's affiliate marketing. And here's the crazy part. You don't need to create your own product, you don't need inventory, you don't need to handle shipping or customer support. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how affiliate marketing actually works. From setting it up, to building traffic, to making your first commission. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to start your own affiliate business, even if you're a complete beginner. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how affiliate marketing actually works. From setting it up, to building traffic, to making your first commission. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to start your own affiliate business, even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I talk about online business, passive income, and how you can create financial freedom. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because I break down real strategies that help you build an online income without the fluff. Now let's get into affiliate marketing step by step. First, let's get crystal clear. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you promote another company's product or service, and you earn a commission every time someone buys through your unique link. For example, you review a pair of headphones on YouTube. You add your Amazon affiliate link in the description. Someone clicks, buys the headphones, you get paid. Simple, right? You're basically a middleman. Costs, almost none to start. Most affiliate programs are free to join. Risks, commissions can change, and you depend on the company's rules. Step 2 is choosing your niche. This is most important step. A niche is the specific market or topic you're going to focus on. Why? Because if you try to sell everything to everyone, you'll sell nothing. Examples of profitable niches: personal finance like investing apps or budgeting tools. Hobbies, think about photography or gaming, 0.5-second break. Tips for picking your niche: choose something you're genuinely interested in. Look for audiences that are willing to spend money. Risks, picking a niche you don't care about can burn you out. Also, niches like make money online are crowded. You need a unique angle. Now that you've picked your niche, it's time to find affiliate programs. There are 3 main ways. 1. Like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate. These have thousands of products. 1. For example, software tools like Canva, Bluehost, or Notion have their own programs. 1. Some courses, coaching programs, or software pay $100, $500 per sale. Startup cost, $0. Joining programs is free. Risks, read the rules carefully. Some don't allow paid ads, or they require certain traffic levels. Now comes the fun part, building your platform. This is how you'll actually promote your affiliate links. There are several options. Write articles that rank on Google for keywords like best noise-canceling headphones. Build a list and recommend products directly to your subscribers. Startup costs. Blogging, $50, $100 per year for a domain and hosting. YouTube, free with your phone. Email tools, free up to a certain number of subscribers. Time investment, blogging. 6-12 months for SEO to kick in. YouTube, 3-6 months to get traction. Social media, faster, but you need to post consistently. The bottom line, choose one platform to start. Don't try to do everything at once. The bottom line, choose one platform to start. Don't try to do everything at once. This is where most beginners fail. Affiliate marketing isn't about spamming links. It's about creating content that helps people solve problems. Types of content that work best. Is this software worth it? Affiliate link. My top 3 tools for productivity. Risks. If your content feels like a sales pitch, people won't trust you. You need to deliver real value first. The sale comes naturally. Remember, help first, sell second. That's the golden rule of affiliate marketing. Remember, help first, sell second. That's the golden rule of affiliate marketing. You've got your content, now you need traffic. Without eyeballs, there are no clicks. Ways to drive traffic: Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. Faster but risky if you're new. Join groups, share valuable posts, build community. Risks: paid ads can drain your money fast if you don't know what you're doing. Start with organic traffic unless you're experienced. Finally, track your results. Most affiliate programs give you dashboards to see clicks and sales. Ask yourself, which products actually convert? Can you double down on what's working? Affiliate marketing is not about guessing. It's about testing, tracking, and optimizing. The people who treat it like a business are the ones who succeed. So there you have it, choose your niche, find programs, build a platform, create content, drive traffic, and optimize. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you stick with it, affiliate marketing can become a serious income stream that works for you 24/7. I've linked useful tools, free resources, and some recommended affiliate programs in the description below, so make sure to check those out. And now, tell me in the comments, which step are you on right now? Are you still picking your niche, or are you ready to start promoting? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to learn affiliate marketing. Until next time, keep building, keep growing, and keep winning.